For the guest division, the first runner-up goes to, well, he shot 85, handicap 12, net of 73. The winner is Andre Cajol.
Oy, that's my son.
Oh, your son.
Ginawa ko pati runner-up.
Congratulations, Andre.
Oh.
The son of Philip Cajol. Picture.
Saan na yung champion? Okay. And for the champion group division, shot a gross score of 85, handicap 14. Ang pareho pala sila, count back to. Net of 71 with 1 birdie and 5 pars.
Wow.
The winner is Albert Junicio.
Whoa.
Tulog na, tulog na.
Ah, tulog na?
Sleeping na.
Tulog na. Sleeping na. Tulog na.
Tulog na, tulog na.
Philip, ikaw na tumanggap. Baka katabi mo
Piping,
anak mo.
piping,
Ikaw na.
piping.
Philip. Hindi, si Philip will accept.
Yay.
Congratulations. Ito, pag-classy, the first runner-up, we get a cash of 1,000. 10,000. And the champion, we get a cash of 15,000. Okay, first runner-up for Class C, handicap 25 to 36. The first runner-up shot a gross score of 103. Handicap 28, net 75. The winner is Romy Brito. Romy Brito.
Oh, yay.
Sabayin na natin yung champion. Oh, the champion! Wow! Gross score of 105, handicap 30, net 75. Jenny Bush!
Yay. The husband. Yay. Hindi, ganda ng palo ni Madam. Yay.
Right. 19 to 24, the first runner-up shot a score of 94, handicap 21, net 73. The winner goes to Alvin Vega.
Yay.
Come on, Alvin. Congratulations. And the champion. Wow.
Congrats.
Gross score of 90, handicap 21, net score of 69. Bagay talaga. Okay, champion goes to James Bush.
Yay! Mag-asawa! Mag-asawa! Yay!
Sulit ah. Congratulations, Alvin. Congratulations. Okay. Handicap 0 to 18. The first runner-up shot 91, handicap 15, net 78. 6 over. The winner goes to Paul Heredia.
Yay! Yay!
And the champion, gross score of 88, handicap 15, net 73. Sinabi na kanina, wala siyang pagkasa manalo. Oo nga, the winner goes to Hil Peña!
Yay! Yay!
Ikaw na naman! Ano ba iba?
Kung sino-sino na lang, tinatago.
Kaya niyo magtanim ng gulay yan.
Sir Hill!
Thank you sa lettuce!
Tanim kayo ng lettuce para manalo kayo. Okay. Tomorrow we'll have another. Okay. Oh, major na tayo. Okay.
Ano unahin natin?
Unahin natin. Uy. 3 strokes umbrella. We have.
Sir, bakit nagdalawa lang?
Gusto mo?
Ang
we are,
ganda, cute!
Ganda naman.
Please hope
Ang
to
cute-cute
promote
naman!
Wow. Beautiful.
Hindi, maganda!
Yung unang tatawagin, can choose the color.
Yes.
Oh, ito na.
Wow!
Una.
The winner goes to... Ang swerte naman ito. Ito yung sponsor natin. Alvin Vega.
Yay!
The next one. One more.
Magaling ka, Alvin. Ito yun.
Parang lagi na nanalo. Parang Alvin, bodega na tao ko sa'yo ha. Diyan ka na. Yan ba napili mo?
Ako naman.
Oh.
Swerte, puro champion na nanalo ah.
Puro champion ba?
Oh, the winner goes to...
Kung sabihin, Paul Heredia yan.
Dr. James Bush.
Wow! Naman!
Congratulations.
Grabe!
Next.
Oh, Xiaomi. Where's the Xiaomi watch? Yun.
This Xiaomi watch is worth 9,000. Smartwatch.
Yeah. Good. Okay.
Okay, haluin ko.
Ano mo na?
O James, ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Nanalo ka na. Ako pa rin.
Sabi ka sana.
Okay. The winner goes to... Wala na yata eh. Nat Francisco.
Sir, natin ka na!
Nat Francisco. Congratulations.
Yay!
Wow.
Yay!
Nag-beer ka, nanalo pa. O, dalawa na watch mo. Para sigurado yung oras. Yung kasama niya.
Congratulations, man.
Sulit ang punta. Alin ka talaga. Sulit.
Okay.
Oras na din ng massage. Sabi ko, sige, pa-massage ka na, pero pag natawag siya, pwede. Kasi
Yung iba, marami na rin natulog.
naka-schedule.
Kapag kailangan pa present required,
Okay na,
okay na.
natin.
Basta natin lang.
Oh, wedges
Oy,
na, wedges.
okay na. Demo.
Okay, demo.
Wow.
Okay, ito yung height ko na
58 degrees.
58 degrees. May 13 ang bounce. May 10 and
Oh!
Okay, una. You can choose. Anong bounce? Manny Lozano.
Oh!
Manny, you can choose the bounce. May 13, may ibang bounce yan.
Galing!
Ano yan? Okay. Sabay din tatlo.
Oh, we have two more.
Oh!
Oo. Hindi niluto ko. Ako kumuha nito eh. Papasahin ko na lang.
Chris Ong.
Nakita nyo, master.
Binunod niya yung kanya.
Halika, ikaw po muna. Halika, boss. James, boss.
Yeah!
Nabunot na.
Wala na, nabunot na siya eh. May taya na yun.
Jenny boss, may luto talaga yan.
I never got to get to it.
Marian po.
Marian. What do you usually play?
Sabay din tatlo.
Oh, we have two more.
Oh!
Oo. Hindi niluto ko. Ako kumuha nito eh. Papasahin ko na lang.
Chris Ong.
Nakita nyo, master.
Binunod niya yung kanya.
Halika, ikaw po muna. Halika, boss. James, boss.
Yeah!
Nabunot na.
Wala na, nabunot na siya eh. May taya na yun.
Jenny boss, may luto talaga yan.